How to send one-time view picture on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send one-time view picture on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the camera section, then here what you can do is just tap on the camera button to take the photo. And now here, once you have taken the photo, here you can add text, stickers, filters, or drawings if you want. And here before sending, you can just look at the right hand side of the screen, and there you'll see different option at the right side. So there you can simply scroll down, and there you'll see the timer option at the bottom. So there you can just tap on it, and there you can simply scroll up, and there you can set it to 1 second. And here with that, you can go back, and here it will make sure that the recipient can only view it one time and for the shorter duration as well. And here, once you're done with everything, you can just tap on send to button and select the friends that you want to send. And that's it. That's how you can send a one-time view picture to someone on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.